Hey y'all, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today I have some really exciting news. Stay tuned to check it out. All right, so the big news is that my rug collection that I've been working on for like the past, almost a year is finally here, and I can't wait to show you. I teamed up with Homebase rugs. They are my very favorite. If you recall, when I did that video of the spill-proof rug and I was freaking out, that was Homebase. That's the kind of rugs they make, the ones that are spill-proof, they're machine washable, they're so durable, and they are affordable too. So it's just a win all around, and I cannot wait to reveal these designs for you. So the first one, and these are all named after cities, that's how all the rugs are with Homebase, which is fun. So this first one, let's lay this out. This one is called Naples, and I love that it has that European flair, kind of an antique look. I wanted to create vintage antique look, hand knotted look, but at an affordable price that is durable. So we checked all the boxes in my humble opinion. And I love that this one has a little bit of that olive green in there, some brown tones. It's just kind of warm, but then it's very versatile too, because we also have that kind of blue gray tone mixed in and the cream. So it's like neutral, but still interesting. And these rugs come in lots of different sizes. I will link them for you in the description below, and I have a coupon code as well for you guys, which I'm excited about. So they're on sale right now, and you get the additional savings with the coupon code. And this 15% off coupon code lasts only through tomorrow. So grab these quick. I will probably be able to get like a 10% after that, but this 15% is like for launch day. So definitely, if you're interested, now's the time to buy because you get that extra discount on top of the sale price. So that one is Naples, and I really love it. And I especially love, this is kind of the cool part about this collection, is that I wanted to create rugs that are kind of blendable, so that when you have an open concept space, like you have your living room and your dining room, maybe in kind of the same general area, that these rugs will work together, even though they're not like exactly the same. That makes them not too matchy, but they coordinate well. So this next one I love paired with Naples. This is called Vienna, and it is really neutral and also has that vintage look that I love. So on this one, I'm not sure how well the colors, hopefully the colors show up pretty well in the video. This one, the base color is more of a creamy gray. So it's kind of like a blue gray base. And then you have your browns, your layers of neutrals on top of that. And so I love these together because they kind of just the colors play well together. A little bit lighter here. And this one has the lightness, but kind of offset by the darker border and the more rich colors, but you can kind of see they're almost like an inverse. So love those. We're gonna scoot them over because I'm gonna show you a couple more. And these of course are the runners, and there's two sizes of runners and then lots of other more standard sizes too. And I'll be showing you how I style those in future videos. Right now I just had the runners on hand, so I thought I'll give you a preview of how they look. And this next rug, you guys might recognize it because it's kind of what inspired the whole thing. Back when I made that video of the spill-proof rug, this is the one that I used. This is Cairo, and this is what inspired the whole collection. I fell in love with this rug, and it was an existing one with which they let me add it to my collection because I was so obsessed with it. They're like, you've sold so much of this rug, we're putting it in your collection. And then I designed the others to coordinate, of course. But this one has the blue-gray tones with the creamy neutrals, and that video of the spill-proofness uses this rug, but in the 8x10. So it'll give you a better idea of how it looks in the larger sizes. This one has a little bit of fun colors in the border too. You've got a little bit of greens, a little bit of plum, but the main feel of this is very neutral, very high end. Reminded me of Pottery Barn when I first saw it, but then it was washable, so it was such a win. And then we have one last that I'm excited to show you. This one I used in my daughter's room, which I'm going to be sharing soon. I think next video? Yeah, Ben's saying yes. So this is the Evie rug, and let's see if I can lay it out here. This one has more terracotta, which I love. So a little bit different, but you can see how all of them are like, they pair really well. Especially this Vienna rug pairs with like everyone. So love this one too. It's got kind of, so the terracotta, then this dusty blue tones, a little bit of mauve-y, like kind of mauve-y purple, and then the cream in that as well. So really, what I wanted to do was bring like interest and a little bit of color, but in a soft way that feels high-end and still interesting. So these are the first 4 of my rug collection, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys love them. I will put the links for you and get you that discount that goes through tomorrow. So that ends the 19th. Yeah, I think what day it is. But anyway, let me know if you guys have questions and what you think, which one's your fave, in the comments below. We'd love to have you like and subscribe while you're here. And if you want to see a full tour of our entry space, which is where I am now, check that video out as well. And I'll see you guys next week.